Hello friends, today I am going to teach you a chapter number 1, going to school. Can you imagine your life without education? No, we cannot, because education is must for everyone. For that we have to go to school. But in some areas or in some state or cities, some students or some children have difficulty that they cannot go to school due to their poorness or some other difficulties. So in some areas or in some state, if there is very heavy rainfall, what will they do? They can not cross that canal or river water body, is it so? So they have to do one thing, they have to put a bricks as shown in this picture. The students are walk on the bricks to cross a muddy way for going to school. So for this activity you have to do one thing, you have to put some bricks in same way, in line, in a zigzag way, so that you can cross that water body for going to school. Like that other way, in the other picture you can see that some students or some children are going to school through bamboo bridge. So how can it is was possible to walk on bamboo bridge? Can we fall down with slip? Yes, it is possible. But if we can walk on bamboo bridge without wearing shoes or slippers, with barefoot, our toes help us to grip the bamboo. So we can hold with one hand books and with other hand to keep safe ourselves. This way we can walk on the bamboo bridge. But where can we see the bamboo bridge? We can see the bamboo bridge in the areas where it is very or so much rain. Sometimes after the rain there is knee-high water everywhere, but that does not stop us from getting to school. We hold our books in one hand and bamboo with the other hand. We quickly cross the bamboo and drop bridge to reach school. So according to you, was it easy to walk on the bricks which are laid on the ground in a lane? It would be easier to walk on bridge barefoot or with shoes or slippers, because barefoot with toes gives a better grip to walk on bamboo. So this way we can walk or going to school in the areas or in some states which the heavy rainfall have. And on the other side, there is a state name of Ladakh. There is a big water body, so student cannot go to school to cross a river. For that they make a trolley. Now can you tell me what is the trolley? So trolley is a box, an open box which made of wood. In some villages or on high hills, every day we have to cross the river to go to school. The river is wide and deep. There is a strong iron rope across the river. On both the sides there is a trolley. So can you understand what is the meaning of trolley? Yes, it is an open box with iron and wood, and it is attached with the rope. 4 or 5 of persons can sit in the trolley. Is it so? We can use, or trolley is moved through pulley. Now what is pulley? Pulley is a wheel with iron. It helps us to move across the rope, and we reach the other side of the river in a short time. We often need to go across some water bodies, so we use bridges. They are made of cement bricks and iron rods. The bridge may also have steps. Do you know where is cement bridge? Yes, we can see it. But first we will learn what is pulley. As you can see in these pictures, a boy take out water with his hand from well. Is it? So it is too difficult to pull out the water from well with the hand, but if you can use pulley, as you can see in this second picture, it is very easy to pull out the water from well. A boy pulling a water from well. So it is so easy to take a water from well with the help of pulley. Pulley is used to take heavy things as shown in the picture. We can use in third picture. You can see this third picture that